this video, we're going to look at how to send a single message to either everyone in your automation platform or just certain people. So this is covered in the other videos about sending newsletters and broadcasts, but I wanted to make a separate video here because I know a lot of people will be looking for specifically how do I just send a single message to a group of people or everybody. So this is how we do it. So the way that it works is that we're going to first of all create the message that we want to send, and we do this in our marketing drop down here under campaigns. So we're going to create the message. So I'm going to create a campaign from scratch here, and we're going to call this single message. We're going to put it into publish mode. We're going to enter our campaign configuration. Now you'll only need to do this if you're doing it for an email. If you're doing an SMS, you can skip this step completely. If you are doing it from email, you'll need to put in your email address here, like this, and then hit the save button down here. Then you'll need to add your single message by hitting the add event button here. Usually you'll either be doing an SMS, a messenger, or an email. So in this case, we're going to do a SMS, and that'll open up our SMS here, and we can just simply type in our message. And remember, you can always put in custom values in here, such as the person's first name. This is a single SMS to you first name, for example. All right, and then hit save. Once that's done, we have to decide whether or not we're sending this to everybody or just certain people. So let's go into our contacts to have a look at how to do this. So we find contacts in the drop down here, and we click contacts again. And this will bring up everyone in the database. Now, if you want to select everyone, this is how you do it. You go up here and you hit select all. Now, if you have more than 20 contacts, more than 25, sorry, in your list, there will be a second button here that appears that says, do you want to select everyone in the database, not just the people on this screen? So make sure you click that as well, and then it will show up here how many you've actually got selected. So it's a really important step. In this tutorial account, we only have 15 contacts, so we don't see that. Once you've selected that, we're going to add a tag to them. So we hit down the drop-down actions, add tag, and you name the tag whatever is relevant to the single message that you're sending. Okay, so we're just going to call this tag single, and what this is doing is adding this tag single to everybody in your entire database. So that's what you do if you want to send it to everyone, and now everyone will have the tag single. If you only wanted to send to existing or certain groups, then you will need to have that group separated via a tag already. And then what you will be able to do is select that tag in here just to see who that is that you're going to send to. Okay, we don't have anyone here. Let's have a look at our newsletter request. Okay, so for example, everyone that has our bulk request newsletter. Okay, and you just need to remember what is that tag that you're going to send to. So either we've added one for everybody or we're using an existing tag. From there, we're going to use the feature here, which is our broadcasting feature, which is under marketing. So in this drop-down marketing, we're going to use bulk requests, and we're going to click create bulk request. We're just going to call this single SMS, and you're going to select the campaign of what you created for this, which was this single message campaign. You can either set it to run at a scheduled date by using this button here, or if you want it to run immediately, leave this blank. On contact type, select all, and under tags, if you're sending it to everybody, then use that tag that you tagged everyone in, or if you're sending it to just a certain group, then you use that particular tag. So in this case, we're using it to everyone, so we're using that single tag. And then we hit add. This won't actually run the message. The next thing you'll need to do is hit this green play button just here, and then it will run the sequence and everyone will be sent that message.